Okay, let's try to understand a little bit more about how large language models work. We talked about them briefly.
The complexities of large language models cannot be covered in a short video. However, I can give you a rough overview of some of the technical ideas.
That sounds great. I'm just looking for a better understanding of these technologies without all the painful details.
Let's start with ChatGPT. Do you know what GPT stands for?
No, I didn't actually know it stood for anything.
GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer.
You mean like the robots in the Transformer movies?
No, Transformer refers to a deep learning model used for natural language processing.
So it's a technology?
It's a type of software architecture presented in 2017 that allows for a way to process natural language more efficiently than anything that was available before it. Generative means that the software uses generative artificial intelligence. In this case, the output that is generated is natural conversational language. Pre-trained means that the software has gone through a learning stage where it has learned enough about language to be able to produce words and sentences that make sense for its intended purpose. And Transformer, again, refers to the software architecture that it uses for natural language processing. Hence the name Generative Pre-trained Transformer.
So how is it pre-trained?
The software is trained on massive amounts of data, mostly all of the publicly available information on the internet. It uses this information to understand the structure of language, to learn how to make language predictions. It makes mathematical predictions of what words would logically come next in a sentence. In some cases, it provides a definition based on the data it has acquired from the internet. In other cases, it provides the most likely answer to a question.
In other words, it's like a parrot, just parroting back information it has learned.
Not just a parrot, because in some cases, it creates a conclusion of what the most likely answer would be. This means it can create a new output that is not in its training data.
So that means it can make up an answer or give a wrong answer.
Of course, because the software is designed to generate an answer by making approximations of what the likely answer might be. In some cases, this will be an answer that is not correct. Improvements are being made to it all the time.
So I guess this means it is not really thinking in the way it seems to. It's just making up stuff based on what is in its database. Interesting.